Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn about the multiplication and division of surds. Last class we have covered what is surd and its type and order of surds. And after that we will cover addition and subtraction of surd. So you can follow our playlist of surd. So you will learn about these all things. So today we will learn about the multiplication and division of the surds. So let's start the topic. Before starting the video, you can like and subscribe our channel so you can learn more things about maths. Let's start the topic. Multiplication and division of a surds is very simple. First, we will discuss about the multiplication. Multiplication. In multiplication, let's suppose you have two surds, which is root A and root B. And you have the multiple sign in it. So between them. So what you can do is you can make one single radical sign and multiply both of them and insert and write both of them in radical sign. Right? So this is the multiplication of the surd. And if we talk about the division of surd, so in division, let's suppose you have two surds like root A and root B. So in division, you can write like this way, A upon B and under radical sign, right? So this is the multiplication and division of the surd. Now solve some examples. We are following here is class 9 Sindh Text Book of Maths. You can follow any books and any example for this because method is same for multiplication and division of the surd. So first example is here is example 1, like 125 multiplied by root 48, right? So we have this number, you can say like this way. First, make it rough work here and simplify 125, take LCM of it. So here 5 to the 10 and 5 5 the 25. 5 ones, 5 5 the 25, 5 1 the 5, right? So here we get 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. And if we talk about 48, so 48 divided by 2, 2 to the 4, 2 4 the 8, 2 1 the 2, 2 to the 4, 2 6 the 12, 2 3 the 6, 3 1 the 3. Now write it like this way, 2 multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 3, right? And make it pair in it, right? So now we get 5, 5 here, and 2 to the 4, 2 multiplied by 2, and root 3. So 5 root 5 here, 2 to the 4, root 3. Now you can solve it like this way, 5 multiplied by 4, right? And keep root 5 multiplied by root 3. 5 5 are 20, 5 4 are 20, and you can make these two roots like 5 multiplied by 3 and 20 root 15. So this is the answer of this multiplication. And if we talk about the division method, so for division, question number 2, we can solve it 162 divided by 144, right? First, we will draw rough work here, and 162 divided by 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, and then 9 9s are 81, 9 1s are 9, right? And if we solve 144, 144, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, right? Now make like this way, write like this way. This is for 1 and this is for 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 and 3 multiplied by 3, right? Then simplify in pair. So we get here is 9 root 2, here 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, right? After that you can, okay, now after that you can say simplify like this way. 2 to the 4 and 3. 12. 3 3 are 9, 3 4s are 12. So 3 root 2 upon 4, right? This one is the answer of this question, right? So this is the division of two surds, right? Now we can solve few other examples. So we will follow question number 3 of class 9 syntax book exercise 3.3. So here are some examples like this example question number 9, 10. So we will use this for multiplication method. Question number 3 of class 9 syntax book we are follow here. So anyone who is following this book, so you can see these questions, right? So here we will simplify first question number 9. This is root 2 upon root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 and root 2 upon root 3 minus 1 root 3, right? And after that we will simplify this question because this is multiplication, and you know that like here we have similar surds here, here, and here. So what we can do here, we will apply a plus b multiplied by a minus b, right? So what we will do here, we will here use a plus b multiplied by a minus b equals to a square minus b square formula. So now we can use this root 2 upon root 3 and then square minus this formula ka minus, then 1 upon root 3 is square, right? And after that, use these are in divide line, so we can write like this way, right? And for here we can apply division method, 1 upon root 2 square. So this square is cancelled from this square, this one, this. So 2 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3, right? And now we can take LCM. 3 is common here. 2 minus 1 is 1 upon 3. So the answer is 1 upon 3, right? So this is the answer of this question. And now we will follow question number 10. So question number 10 is root 13 plus root 11 multiplied by root 3 minus root 11, right? So here we have also formula. We can use this formula, which we already covered in previous classes. So we will write this way. We will put this formula 5 minus root 11 square, right? And we can give like 2 cancel with this root. So it's 13 and root cancel with this one is 11. 13 minus 11 is 2. So this is the answer of this question. And if we solve this one, question number 9, question number 11 is 6, 3 root 6, 4 root 5, and we have the square sign. So how we can solve this one? This one can be solved very easily. A minus b, a whole square. You can apply this. 3 root 6 square minus 2 is formula is in formula, and 4 root 5, that 4 root 5 whole square. Now we can simplify. 3 3 is 9, 6 and root cancel. This one is 6. Now 2 and 3 4s are 12, right? Now we can apply here multiplication of two surds. So 6 multiplied by 5, right? So this is the multiplication method of surds, right? And 4 4s are 16 and multiplied by 5. 2 root cancel 5. So 9 6 are 9 multiplied by 6, 54, right? And if we multiply this term is 24, 5 6 are 30, right? 5 6 are 30, then 6 15 are 80, right? Now we can simplify this term. 80 minus 54 minus 80, which is minus 26, and 24 to 30. So this is the answer. You can take minus is common from here and like this way, right? This is the answer of this question. So you can apply these addition, division, multiplication, and subtraction method in these type of questions. So you will, I hope you understand what we learned in this class. So in next class we will simplify some more questions. So you will learn more about the addition, subtraction, and multiplication of the sort. So follow our channel so you can learn more things about the math.